Hello everyone, welcome to Twin Talks. How you doing? Thank you for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.
Yes, yes.
No, please don't drop her. Don't drop her. Don't drop her. Don't drop her. No, don't drop her. Don't drop her. Ẹ má drop her, Bọ́lá láti. Hold on. Ẹ jẹ́ kí.
Wọ́n lè yàn gbé mi ṣépè láìṣe láìrò láì.
Olori burúkú ni. Only dementia problem. Bossman, stop explaining yourself to this lady because she doesn't listen. If you explain something to her, she will repeat the same question to you again. She will ask you to repeat what you're saying because she has dementia. She has problem in her head. If she's looking for, who is looking for justice for Mohbad, she should go to Confess platform. She should go to Confess platform.
Madam Lawyer, well, please allow me to say this quickly. Please, I'm happy that you came up. Bossman, let me tell you something. These are the people we are talking about. If Ishak cannot engage himself in a one-on-one conversation, one-on-one question and answer, if they cannot come up and talk, then you do not owe them any answer to their stupid questions. Yes. I've been complaining since on the conversation. I wish I was up. You see, these people, immediately, the moment I saw that account, I said, the first thing you should have done is that, who is this person? But I know it's like you knew that kind of person. I think you know her.
I don't know her from anywhere.
But you don't owe them any explanation. You do not owe them any explanation whatsoever. You do not.
But do you know why I answered? She came out and she was being civil. I don't know her. She might be on another platform and be dragging people, but as of today, she was being civil.
This woman, she will pretend to you that she's a lawyer. And she will always tell you that she's in a hurry.
The same thing with Mama Spending. Say that she's a lawyer and she talks.
Olori buruku alaja ofo.
That woman alaja.
She has changed her name. No, Adedoyin. She's Adedoyin. She's not Alaja.
No, she's not Adedoyin. That's not her voice. No, Adedoyin. That's not her voice. The Queen Alaja is this.
Adedoyin. She has changed her name.
This is not Queen of Alaja. This is not Queen of Alaja. I know her voice.
Adedoyin tó máa wà ní platform Paparano.
No. Queen Alaja la wà ń sọ lawyer well. We're talking about Queen Alaja. This is not Queen Alaja. This is not Queen Alaja. This might be Adedoyin. We understand. I don't know what Adedoyin is.
Bossman.
Yes, sir.
That your narration. Go ahead with that your narration and explain.
In case they are streaming.
Do you understand? In case they are streaming.
This
For
thing,
those that want to listen, let them listen.
Please, everybody, let's keep power tapping, please. Thank you.
May, June last year, there was two groups that was created, the structure group and the management group. Chairman, Crunch Queen, and others were in the management group. But in the structure group, we have about 12 people there. All right. Myself, Mr. Miwa, Ryan Whisper, Lady Ryan, even Ishtok was there, a member there, whatever. So Mohbad came forth. There was a possification where he was in the room to was shot by. Don't we go see now? You ask people to come and boys to come and stab Mohbad in their house. Now you send boys to come and stab Mohbad in the house. That was a strong allegations, and we're like, so we brought this thing into the group and was like, I think we need to petition this woman for her to publicly came out to antagonize his baby daddy, Baba Mohbad. Baba, let us petition this woman. Can point at Mr. Miwa said, Baba Mohbad said that no, that we cannot do that. That we couldn't do that. I said, why? What was the reason? He said, because he and her gave birth to Mohbad. So you cannot get her arrested. After 1 month, I was so mad.
Take action, Lori justice.
Hold on. After a few weeks.
Even go àdúrà gan kan rọ́wọ́ àdúrà nínú justice bàbá ò lè jẹ́ ká àdúrà lọ ṣẹ̀wọ̀n lórí ẹ̀.
Ẹ máa gbọ́sẹ̀. After 2 weeks, mo bí mi báyìí, mo lọ pe lọ́yà, mo gbé lọ́yà, mo kó 200,000 sílẹ̀ wípé ẹ ká gbé ìyá yìí sẹ́. Àwọn mẹ́ta wọn.
Hold on, boss man. Let me pause for a minute, please.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Happy New Week, sir. Happy
Same
New
to
Week
you,
gbogbo
ma'am.
platform.
Ma'am.
Yes, sir. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sà mo dẹ̀ ń ro kinní kan o. Ṣe try get like-minded people, right? Because right now Mohbad maybe is 2 years or going to 2 years to cook. Can one start it might not be more than 3 or 4 panels with no question or anything from outside that platform of 5 like-minded. Irú àwọn bọ̀dá tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ right now. Irú ẹ̀yin báyìí àti maybe few other 2 or 3 people. Can one create one day to be on one platform, 4 or 5 or 6 people? Ẹ má gba question from nobody. But can one give updates from the beginning of ọjọ́ tá a gbọ́ pé Mohbad kú to work it all the way to where it is right now, so that will help a lot of people to remember a lot of things, because a lot ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹlòmíì gan ò remember the beginning of the whole show. Middle not remember, the last one not remember. I get point, sir. So bóyá ìyẹn á lè jẹ́ a good update for everybody to bring everybody's mind up to date.
All right.
Kó má jẹ́ pé àwọn tó jẹ́ like rírun àwọn bọ̀dá tó sọ̀rọ̀ yìí rẹ̀ ní báyìí tí wọ́n ṣe àwọn alátakò ẹgẹ́ tì mí. Need àti gba question and answer from anybody, just to give us from the beginning tá a gbọ́ ìròyìn burúkú yẹn up to today. Páàtì tí oníkálukú play irú àwọn bọ̀dá tó sọ̀rọ̀ irú kẹta ń sọ yóò make big sense. Wọ́n lè give update ìkẹta wọn náà táwọn play during that period. Irú ẹ̀yìn báyìí ẹgẹ́ tì mí. So it will help us a lot. But ẹ má gba question from nobody. Ẹ má make an open platform for everybody, just for you guys to give us updates.
All right, ẹ ṣé gan.
Because mo ní kí n suggest.
Ẹ ṣé gan. Tí n bá gba call báyìí ara àwọn tó ń stop.
After 2 weeks.
Tí n bá gba call báyìí ara àwọn tí wọ́n ń support platform mi, mo gbọ́dọ̀ fún wọn láyè kan sọ̀rọ̀ bí irú àwọn màmá yìí. She's one of the àwọn tó ń support platform yìí. So tó bá dẹ̀ ní opinion, I need to attend to them. That is why. Ẹ má bínú. Jọ àníkèbí pẹ́ máa lọ.
Lati, to cut the whole story short,
Bossman,
after a few weeks.
Bossman, hold on,
Okay.
please, Bossman. Let's quickly deliberate on just for a minute or two. Idea tí màmá yẹn mú wá, ẹ kò jẹ́ ká give the submission wa díẹ̀ fún a minute or two. Which I buy into that idea. Let's go back from the beginning. Káwá sọ débi tá a sọ dé yìí. But you know by now, we have facts, we have evidence. Do you understand? A lè wá collate gbogbo ẹ̀ papọ̀. If Baba team, people supporting Baba, they feel they can join that conversation, let them come to that conversation. This is what we will do. Anywhere, tá bá fẹ́ lò Mr. Lati, wọ́n pa comment section, so that anybody tó bá ń give submission títí ẹ̀ kò ní máa wà distracted àbí kó máa sọ kó máa.
Ẹ lọ organize ẹ.
Bí a kọ́ tiẹ̀ ṣe flyer fún ká fi date sí. Tó bá fẹ́ wá bí a ká send invitation sí wọn, Mr. Ishaq, the best scholar, and whoever wọ́n wá fún jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Ishaq
Yes, ma'am.
If the best scholar and Ishaq, they are the same person.
Bossman.
Latisneh, jọ má bínú, your network kò dáhùn bí tí mo.
Okay. Èmi mo fi torí.
Jọ má bí mo fẹ́ request kankan ni mo ṣe wá sókè.
Oh, Jesus. Ẹjọ́ sákùn tí wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀.
Mo like olówó ń yọ̀bà jẹ. Ṣé wọn pé mo ti request ẹ rí? Dọ́kọ̀ tó end tó bá máa end show play orin yẹn live. Thank you.
Olórí kò lọ títí ó yẹ kílẹ̀ ń wí.
Nǹkan tọ́lẹ̀ mi fẹ́ máa lọ ẹjọ́. Nǹkan tí brọ́dà wa àti nǹkan tí gbogbo ilé bá sọ, mo fọwọ́ sí, mo fẹsẹ̀ sí, mo fi gbogbo ara sí. Tẹ́ ẹ bá láyà ẹ máa bọ̀. Ẹ wá sọ.
Ẹ má threat wọn kan lè wà. Ẹ má threat wọn.
All right. No. Ẹ já pé ní òdodo.
You should threat now. If you have confidence, come up. Nǹkan tó mean in English now. If you have the confidence, come up.
Ilé ayé tá a wà yìí, irọ́ máa ń rìn gan. Irọ́ ó máa ń rìn gan. Irọ́ máa ń rìn gan. Seriously. Ìgbà tí níṣẹ́ má bínú o, gbogbo ìyẹn jọ mo kàn divert díẹ̀ ni o. Nígbà tá à ń ṣe wípé kí ìran Yorùbá kó dúró, Yorùbá nation, kò sẹ́ni tó máa lóhùn ò gbọ́. irú àwa yìí ti kó even God Sunday
Igboho. Ìjọba ẹ jẹ́ ká lè fẹ́ lómi náà láyé ẹjọ́ ẹ má bínú.
Ẹ ṣe torí ẹ̀ náà ni. Nígbà tá a dúró pé kí ìran Yorùbá ká ṣe oríire ká ní tẹ̀síwájú. Táwọn dẹ̀ lọ wó ilé èèyàn méjì kan ní Ìbàdàn. Tẹ́yìn tí ò mọ̀ mí rí. Tó dẹ̀ sọ wípé ìyá àwọn ló nílé. You know, ibẹ̀ nírú idiot tá a sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn. Tó jẹ́ wípé ilé ọkọ tó wà, ó sọ́daṣọ ni, tó ń pààrọ̀ aṣọ all the time. Tó wá lọ́kọ ẹ kú tán, ò lè débẹ̀. Jọ ń torí Ọlọ́run, ṣó gba contract lọ́wọ́ ìjọba ni tán fi lóò lè rìn. Torí mi ò understand. Àwọn tó ń wà ń bẹ̀ wọ́n á sọ fún ẹ. Ẹ kàn wá sórí social media. Àwọn tá ẹ̀ lè túbà tẹsẹ̀ wọn, ẹ máa rant lórí wọn. Kí la gbé kí la jù. Ṣé èèyàn ò ní kú ni? No, ẹ kàn máa parọ́. Irọ́ tí ẹ mọwọ́ tẹ́ ẹ tí nǹkan tí ò kàn yín. Ẹ máa mátamọ́. How do we get to this level? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n ṣe nǹkan tó sọ yóò wà very very important.
All right, ẹ ṣé gan.
Iná kọ̀ọ̀kan lórí àwọn èèyàn rú ó ti tó.
Ẹ ṣé.
Ẹ ṣé gan.
Brother Lati.
Mansonia.
Brother Lati, good afternoon.
How are you?
But I'm fine, I'm good. Bossman, Prince, everyone on the panelists, I greet you all. Please, I want to say something to Bossman. Bossman, please, this energy that you carry like this, I'm so much happy that you can come out and say all this. But I want to say this to you. Please, I don't know if it is okay. It's an opinion, you know, from me. Brother Lati, I think Bossman should get how he can get to Very Dark Man. Explain things for him from A to Z, the way it is like this. You understand? I think the reason why Very Dark Man don't want to do too much on this case is because of the way the matter is on the TikTok and the rest. That's why it's like he will talk small and he will leave. But if you can see somebody
what
like
is Very Dark Man got to do with this?
I don't know. To help now, as in to help.
Why you not transfer him to Very Dark Man? For what?
We as in you people can carry him along. That's what I mean.
Can I respond to that, Mazonia? Mazonia, that's a good question. Okay. No, but at the point we were actually trying to get Very Dark Man. But I'm telling you today, just that I'm only sick and tired of people that always want to get a lot of words from my mouth. I cannot give you some stuff. As we are here right now, we have about 731 people on the whatever. We don't know thousands of people that actually listening to us on the FYP. There are a lot of people that are also streaming us on other platforms. You don't expect me to bring some facts and evidences and be saying it because I want to give you people what is really going on. That is why I'm always cutting off stuff. People, what's my sorrow now? I don't need to talk to you people. But let me tell you something today. Justice for Mohbad is around the corner. Yeah? When I keep talking about kasa, kese, when I keep talking about Justice for Mohbad just started last month ago. A minute, very soon you will be seeing it. So we don't need Very Dark Man. We not need anybody at all. Okay? Maybe Justice for Mohbad can actually even start coming before the opening of Corona inquest. It has been coming, all because you guys are not yet aware. It has not yet been in the open, but it's already started already. Right. I can share it with you because I don't know who is who, but a lot of stuff is going on. A lot of stuff.
In addition to that, the boss man. Sorry for interrupting you. Hold on, Mansonia. Hold on. In addition to that, let me tell you this, and know it, and know peace.
The network.
The network is
network me okay. Now somebody muted me.
Soro. Tani.
I guess someone's keep muting him and then they drop him. I guess I don't know what happened over there. So that is it. Masonia. You know, it is what it is. People I keep telling people that justice for Mohbad, you cannot get justice for Mohbad on the internet. You go to court, you lay down your facts. That is how to get justice for Mohbad. All this while, this is not how to get justice. This is not how to fight to get justice. Justice for Mohbad has turned into, from seeking justice for Mohbad, it has turned into fracas. So let me tell you something. We have senators, we have people from the hierarchy in the society that are actually interested in this justice for Mohbad. The police are watching us, and they are getting tired that everything is turning to fracas. They're seeing us as a hoodlums. And that's what they're seeing us. That's how they're seeing us right now. People want to know, they're interested in the case of Mohbad. They want to hear what is really going on. And the next thing they turn into a platform. The next thing you guys are doing is to shake me and doing fracalizing people. And you think a lot of people that are really busy, politicians, will want to listen to your platform, your show? That is exactly what is really going on here. There's no Alagbara Akoko anywhere. By the time these things start coming up, by the time there's a time it's going to come, in a few days, in a few weeks time, Mr. Latte, we go come to you, maybe we go to meet Onile, and you guys will know what is really going on. We don't need very dark man here. And that's just the truth. Justice for Mohbad looks so funny, right? But we're going to get justice for Mohbad. The other side, they are celebrating justice for Mohbad. I'm telling you the truth. The fact is that they are aware of what happened to Mohbad. They know who paid Mohbad. Some of the people that are supporting with me, they know who paid Mohbad. They chose not to.
Bossman, let me just quickly say this. You know, at this point here, we believe justice is around the corner and it's coming. And whatever that we know, that we feel like people should know, we should take that chance to let people know. Like yesterday, that I was sending you a message to come on live, so let's talk about this scam, which was Biodun Lawal. And we spoke about it on how she tried to scam people. And you were aware about our own scam when she was demanding from 40 million from your camp. Yes, she came to our own camp demanding for 25 million, telling me to go to platform like Latis platform.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Right. A lot of people do not know what is really going on behind the closed door.
Some people don't know what goes on behind the. Do you understand? And she told me to go to like Lati. I should talk to my people that if we can raise about 25 million.
All right.
Like if I can raise like 25 million, the Adura will speak. And you know the funny part is this woman keep giving us false hope. Adura to confess his own. Adura to confess his own. Adura will speak. Adura is ready to speak. Who can need the security? Do you understand?
Tani.
Biodun Lawal na ẹ mọ̀ Biodun Lawal ni tó gba ya Mohbad àtàdúrà sílé tó gba wọn King White sílé.
Only the 25 million.
I'm going to be talking about that
40
today.
million ló bẹ ṣe mọ̀ pé Mr. Lati ọmọ kọ́kọ́ ti ṣẹlẹ̀ behind the scene.
There are a lot of things that happen behind the scene.
Tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ behind the scene jẹ́ pé tábà gbé bọ́ta ń gbà yẹn kò lè wúlò. Gbàtà bá rí pé àrí result ń bẹ̀ la máa bọ́ta tá a máa sọ. We were actually trying with the help of Supreme, Rotexam, on one team, we were trying to make Kadura sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ kó jẹ́wọ́. Ẹni tó wá gbà wọ́n sílé, ó wá ti rí opportunity yẹn, pé chance tó máa fi make owó lélẹ̀. Bí ọdún yẹn ṣe gbọ́dọ̀ wọn kiri ọ̀dọ̀ Ìyékúdí ló wà tẹ́lẹ̀ tó demand 40 million lọ́wọ́ Bossman. Ní pé kọ́ Bossman lọ mú 40 million wá. Nígbà tó rí pé kò work níbẹ̀ yẹn, ó wá sọ́dọ̀ títí wa. Ó sọ fèmí ní voice recording gbà ó máa ń pè mí dáadáa lórí fóònù ni gbogbo nǹkan tọ̀hún ìyá Mohbad ṣe nílé ìpàwọ́ta everywhere gbogbo life gbogbo ẹ̀ lámọ̀.
Jojo, Mr. Tansami Jojo.
Yes, I'm with you.
Let me tell you something. I don't know how people are going to take this. Okay, somebody said Biodun Lawal is a Yekudi sister. Anyway, we got to know Biodun Lawal through Yomi when we told you I begged Yomi to go to Mohbad's house. That when Yomi went to Mohbad's house, so that's when we got to know Biodun. He's on the video there. Is there how we got to know Biodun? The lady that met Yomi at Korame that night was actually Biodun Lawal. And we're going to talk about that today. I will be talking about it, speaking on that, what actually happened behind the closed door. I was the one who sent Biodun an assignment. After the incident with Yomi, the protests on Mohbad's house, and how Yomi, whatever happened with Yomi there, I only told her, she said she wanted to get close to me. And I said, I gave her some assignment, which she did. She provided some document for me. All right. She gave me some fact and all stuff like that. And I said, okay, if you really want to work with me, because I am very careful, I am for justice for Mohbad, I just don't bring people close to me. If you want to work with me, do some things, which she did. And I said that, you know what? Go to the inquest. I said, go to the inquest. Get close to Mohbad. Get close to Mohbad. Which she did. Yes, hello?
Yes, you didn't meet Biodun Lawal through your meal.
Are you going to be the one to tell me?
Not through your meal.
What do you mean?
Yes, not through your meal.
So it is true who?
Yeah, Yomi can come and explain. It was.
Let him come and explain that.
Excuse me, Bossman. Before you go ahead.
Let Yomi is on the screen there now. It was Yomi. So what are you talking about? Is it Yomi that asked you to come and say this? Was it not when Yomi when we
asked me to say what? I don't understand.
I don't know. So it's like when you were saying you were not there, you are the one about defending Yomi. What I just said.
Kid Boss, that's the story.
You were not part of this thing now. So why are you
the
saying
first thing she came online was on the Yekudi's platform. But I quickly came up on the panel
Maybe
to tell Bossman something.
Yekudi's platform.
Now listen, so because you guys don't know,
can I say something?
From the beginning
So,
of this,
Bossman, can I say something?
The Kid Boss.
No, King Pelori panel.
Kid Boss.
Sorry, Samuel, drop me. Bossman, please.
Yes.
If you are ready to tell us everything that happened, please stop saying. I quickly came up to tell you. You said you told her to do some things. If you really want to talk to us,
I said I'm not talking about it today. I am going to be giving you details.
I thought you said you were ready to talk to us.
I have to know to talk about it. Not now. Sorry about that. I'm only giving you whatever. I'm not talking about having here.
Drop me. I thought you were ready because that's the way you talk.
Sorry, so Jim, I didn't meet my.
Drop me. Talk about you ready.
Yeah, sorry.
Uncle Ate Ekason Goli. Ẹ mọ̀ pé Miss Madam Olúṣọlá wà láìfi lánàá. Ṣé lánàá ní àbíjẹta? Mi dẹ̀ rí olórí kò lọ títí níbẹ̀. Kó dẹ̀ kí a stroll lọ sókè jẹ́jẹ́ bí ṣe wọnú show nìyẹn. Ní olórí kò lọ títí ẹ wá ń bèèrè lọ́wọ́ mi pé ọ sọ pé àwọn èèyàn Mohbad lélẹ́yìí o. The first thing tí Madam Olúṣọlá máa ju question lọ ṣe bèèrè pé kí la fẹ́ dùn. Ta làwọn eléyìí.
Ó dẹ̀ máa ta làwọn fáǹsì mi ṣó wa ókè.
No, àwọn ẹ má bínú. So wọ́n ní pé àwọn èèyàn Mohbad lélẹ́yìí o. Next thing ta ṣe rí àwọn madam kan fúfú pẹ̀lú ugly me pẹ̀lú Tanzania lẹ́pọ̀n jíjò. Ó ṣàkó àwọn ọjọ́ wá ṣe fẹ́ máa gbá mọ́mì yẹn sí àárín wọn fẹ́ máa bólì wọn.
A ti kúrò lórí àti yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, a ti kúrò lórí ẹ̀mí.
Mo fẹ́ sọ fún pé èmi gangan ni mo pe Papariano wá.
Okay, wọ́n
ló pe Papariano. Mo fẹ́ invite him but èmi mo pe Papariano wá. Tíṣù wọn.
Kúṣẹ́.
Nǹkan tí mo ní láti sọ nìyẹn.
Okay then, o ṣe.
All right, thank you, Prince. So on back on the Biodun Lawal. We got to know Biodun Lawal. Biodun Lawal. There's a video of that on the internet. All right. The day when Yomi went to Mohbad's house. So from Kuramed, or flag Yomi. I was on the phone with Yomi on the live show. Or flag Yomi. His phone went off. Then that was when he met Biodun Lawal. He said Biodun. So that was through him we met Biodun Lawal. So now, I'm going to give details this afternoon. I'm going to be coming up this afternoon. And something happened that I don't want to talk about because there's no way I'm going to talk about Biodun Lawal that I'm not going to talk about Yomi. And there are some things I'm going to be revealing that it might not go down with you, Olori Ebi, and some of the best whatever of Yomi.
I don't review story me. So, nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ review kò review ẹ̀ tí kí ló kàn mí kò kàn mí. Nothing concerns.
So now, this is how Biodun started coming on the Yekudi's platform, which, like I said, I'm only just going to give you the very fair of the whole thing. The whole details is going to be later in the afternoon.
Bossman, we can do it this way. And the thing is this: see, our angle of this conversation should be for justice. Do you understand? And why I said this is this. Biodun claimed she knew, as in Adura had confessed what happened to Mohbad, to her. If you're on live yesterday, hold on,
George,
please. Hold on,
that was what
please.
happened to you guys.
Hold on, Bossman. On Supreme's platform yesterday, on Tobawa Ambe, we played a voice recording of Biodun, and what Biodun was saying is this: that Adura is ready to talk, but Adura will be implicated, and Adura is scared. Blah blah. You need maybe I will try to get that voice tape on to be played on Latis platform. Do you understand? What we need to bring out is this. This woman, harbored Adura that was at the crime scene.
He did not harbor. Everything he did not harbor. Let us set the record straight because I am involved. Hold on.
Bossman, this is my own English now.
All right.
English now. Harbor Monsinule. Adura that witnessed a crime scene, she claimed that Adura confesses. Now, Adura
actually did. Adura did.
Adura did. Now, hold on, Bossman. Adura did confess to you. As Biodun, what could she have done? She could lọ police station pé nǹkan báyìí tẹ́ ẹ bá mọ̀ nǹkan báyìí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ilé o. Ẹni báyìí confess nǹkan báyìí fún mi. She didn't do that.
Iya Mohbad also confessed.
Now,
she has some part
hold on, please,
yes.
Bossman. Iya Mohbad also confessed. But did Biodun, hold on, please. Yes, I'm coming. Did Biodun took the right action? Because normally, Toba she confess let's go to the got a so when she told us that Adura to confess, but Adura needed safety. Adura needed a lawyer. Do you understand? We spoke about how to get a lawyer, how Adura should speak. But the funny part is this: this woman wanted to use that avenue to scam people, telling me, Sami Jojo, me on the phone, Sami Jojo, Tabari 25 million. Ekoloba on lati sọ̀rọ̀, keba on jokem sọ̀rọ̀. E ma kikini yen ko pariwo síta. Tabari 25 million. Ama shekini ko fa Adura ma sọ̀rọ̀, Adura ma ri justice. Do you understand? And to me, I knew that was a red flag. Mr. Lati mélòó lára mi. Tábà wá sọ pé kẹ́ dáwó tẹ́ bá dáwó tó bá di pé wọ́n gbowó sá lọ lọ́la ńkọ́ mélòó ni mí ẹ ṣáà rí pé mi ò lára ẹjọ́ yìí náà ni. Did you get it? But joke apart, when she brought that idea to me.
ìyẹn jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé Àdúrà gangan ló lọ send message sí Yomi.
Kí lẹ ń sọ yìí? Now, ṣe rí àárín yẹn nígbà tó sọ pé òkè Sami Jojo tabari 25 ẹkọ sọ fún ẹ má kó pariwo Àdúrà máa sọ̀rọ̀ Àdúrà máa jẹ́wọ́ èmi dẹ̀ ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ pé kò yé yín èmi dẹ̀ ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ pé red flag lélẹ́yìí mi ò dẹ̀ gbé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn kọjá tó ṣe ń sọ fún mi yẹn because tí n bá jẹ́ olè lóòótọ́ àbí èmi náà fẹ́ make nǹkan kan nínú ẹ̀ èmi náà lè gbèrú idea burúkú bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn náà.
Sami Jojo, so Biodun Lawal was demanding for 70 million from you guys.
25 million. 25 million. How much did she demand from you people?
Oh, your 25 million, I need to go for me.
Abi?
Was asking for, see, there are a lot of things that happen, but I will break everything down into today, this afternoon.
Oh, God.
I will break everything down today. I'll be talking about it today.
God, boss man. Jẹ́ network Sami Jojo kì í gbádùn jẹ́ kó sọ̀rọ̀ díẹ̀.
Ó ti lọ now. Ó dàn pé network ti lọ.
Ní problem kankan wọ́n ìwà ẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n network
actually,
Bossman.
Actually, okay. Go ahead.
Bossman, I will say this. Bossman, hold on. I will say this. Whichever way you want to raise your conversation, I don't know how you want to say it, but the direction should be cleared. Ẹni tó try láti scam wa. Tó fẹ́ gba public, tó fẹ́ fi òkú Mohbad, tó fẹ́ lo opportunity yẹn, tó fẹ́ fi make, tó fi obstruct justice. Because to be honest, Biodun Lawal, that is not her real name anyway, tó bá dé point yẹn, a máa gbórúkọ ẹ̀ jáde gangan, a máa drag ọkọ ẹ̀. But she was part of people that destroyed this justice also.
She and Mr. Miwa, àní àwọn kan tí ẹ mọ̀ sẹ́.
She destroyed this justice.
Biodun was the one, she was the game behind Odumosu must go.
Of course.
And through Mr. Miwa, I'm coming. And yeah, they say this afternoon I'll be talking about the
That
old
is why I
king.
said, that is why I'm giving you this direction.
Biodun was the brain